So you may have already watched my traveling charcuterie board video that I made around Thanksgiving time. I love entertaining. The meat and cheese platter always seems to be something that I love to bring. So in my last video, I put a traveling charcuterie board, and I used this cake taker as my carrying device to transport. But I'm very excited. I got a new serving set, and I'm really excited to use it. So I'm gonna have to travel a little different with it, but it has these really awesome containers, and they kind of stack inside of each other, things like that. Several of them do come with covers. So this one actually has a cover, and then there is this really, I mean, it's just such a beautiful serving collection that I really wanted to change things around and use this as my charcuterie board. So here's like a divided one. So I'm pretty excited. I love entertaining, and I can't wait to see how this whole serving collection looks with all of my meat and cheese. Some pre-sliced deli meats. I'm gonna do some pepperoni this time. I've got dried apricots, 1000-day-old Gouda. I used this in my last one. It's fantastic. White cheddar, that is my favorite cheese, so I made sure I had that. My family loves, well, several people in my family love olives, so I got blue cheese stuffed olives, also one of my favorites. Pitted dates. This is to make basically a cheese ball. I will share that recipe in a little bit. I also have cream cheese that will be mixed with garlic powder and chives and then made into salami rolls. And then I have a few different other cheeses that I'll be adding to it. So I'll have my meat river, I'll have all of that great stuff, but this is what I'll be using in today's charcuterie board. I'm going to make my salami and cream cheese stuffed salami rolls. So all I have is a hard salami, a thing of cream cheese, some garlic powder, and some dried chives. This becomes my filling, and then I just use toothpicks to secure them together. Once I have my filling made. I have got cream cheese in here. It's about half a pack, a little bit more. Everything's kind of to eyeball it, which I know can drive some people crazy. And then I put in some chives, probably a tablespoon of chives, maybe a little tablespoon and a half, and then some garlic powder. So, and again, I just sprinkle it, and then I give it a taste and see if I like it. And if I like it, great, I go with it. So everything is just right in there. This is one of my favorite pieces to use. It makes things so easy. So you just set this down. Oh, it smells great. So to get these ready, have your toothpicks ready. All you take is a piece of salami, and then you just roll it up into a small cone. Take a toothpick, skewer the ends together, just like that. So then you fill each one with the filling.